G'day mates, as they say down here in Australia, and today I found my way to the, what's it called? It's the Cape Schanck Lighthouse Reserve, and as the name would imply, there's a lighthouse here, and I'm going to share it with you, and I'm also going to share another special place, at least it looks like it on Google Maps. It's called Angel's Cave, and it's about an 800-meter walk down a what they call a track here in the land down under. So it's an early Sunday morning. I woke up to try to catch the sunrise, and unfortunately there's a little bit of a maybe it's a marine layer right now, but as you can see behind me, it's starting to break, and it should give for some nice footage here. I've actually got my my drone. You know, this is my drone right here, and this drone is boy, what a great little toy it is. It's not actually a toy, it's a wonderful piece of equipment, and I'm going to use it to share some of the Cape Schanck Lighthouse Reserve with you. So let's go check this place out. As you walk up, you can see they've got all types of signs posted regarding the coronavirus pandemic that's going on as I film this. So Cape Schanck Lighthouse Reserve, it's 80 meters from the parking lot, and it's open 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily. It's got a picnic area, lookouts, museum, and heritage buildings. So I won't unfortunately be able to share that with you, but hopefully I'll be able to share some of the other items with you. Here there's some information about the coastal beauty here. Take a moment to enjoy the diverse coastal beauty provided by nature. The park protects significant native plant and animal communities that are greatly depleted elsewhere on the Mornington Peninsula. So they've got different hikes that you can take here. Here's some information. The discover on foot the rugged nature of Cape Schanck offers wild landscapes, the mystery of dramatic volcanic features, unspoiled beaches, and scenic walking tracks. So this is where I find myself here on here in the land down under, I should say. Find myself, I should say, on the Mornington Peninsula. Banquets and beacons. For Aboriginal people and European settlers, Cape Schanck featured significantly in their respective lives. It is rich with history, including extensive shell-midden sites and heritage-listed buildings. A 2.5-hour return walk to Bushrangers Bay departs from the eastern side of the Cape Schanck Car Park. So let's go check this out. And here you can see is the Cape Schanck Circuit Track. Eastern Lookout 170 meters, Boardwalk 350, Western Lookout 450, Loop return to Car Park 600, and Pebble Beach one way 750. So up we go. And that would be the star attraction of the reserve, the lighthouse. And when I arrived a little bit earlier, it was actually working. There was a light beaconing out of the tower there. And as I zoom out, I'll be able to show you a little bit of the surrounding coastline here. Look at that. Just beautiful. Alright, let's continue on the track. Before I do, actually, I'm going to take the drone up, and we'll do a little bit of a drone flight for you here as we start this walk down to Angel's Cave here on the reserve. Let's see what this looks like from up above. Just up the track, I came to my first lookout. It gives you a nice view of the coastline here as I pan it around. Angel's Cave is, I believe, just right up at the top, or the point, just up over here. Boy, I must say it's a rather nice track, and it's leading me down to what I'm sure is going to be some really, really beautiful scenery. As I travel, it's always nice to share the actual experience with folks that may want to come and take a look at something like this or visit a place such as I am here today. And just simple things like filming the track gives people an idea as to what, how accessible it is and what have you. Here we're coming into a nice little grove of trees. Look at this. Isn't that something? All right, so on we go. That's a little bit of a better view right there. All right, shouldn't be too long before we actually reach the bottom. Here's a beautiful view looking down on the beach here, and I think that's called Pebble Beach or something like that. And boy, this is going to be really a nice spot to get some great drone footage. Look at that. And there's like a boardwalk or something going down. I'm not sure if that's open or not. We will see, as the saying goes. Well, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to walk you down the boardwalk. But you know what? I've got a drone. So if I can't walk you down the boardwalk, I'll fly you down the boardwalk. Probably be a little bit quicker. I hope you enjoyed this visit to the Cape Schanck Reserve and the tour of the lighthouse, and I thought I would share this last view with you as I head back to the car. And it is a beautiful view. There's no shortage of beautiful views as you visit Australia. It is just one really magical, special land down under. So have a great day. Take good care.